good morning. Good morning mga palangga. Good morning, mister.
Hello, ma'am. Who are you?
Oh, we got a problem mga loves.
What?
We got a problem.
I have no problem. I know who she is.
Who am I? The boss?
No. The naughty wife.
Right. Alam niyo na kung saan kami pupunta mga palangga. Well, I'm guessing but we're going to
13 degrees.
Tesco, grocery ulit kasi Saturday and this is the only day off I got for this weekend.
And I'm left home alone.
I said you can have a party.
No. No friends to have a party with.
Do you ever say that? You sound so lonely.
I am so lonely. She just leaves me alone.
Do you ever say that? You got friends to party with, but you just choose to stay home.
What do you mean?
You choose to stay home. I said today you can go shooting today. Like, oh no, I'm not
She
shooting.
has to stay home. Tend to the wife.
I did not. I did not, mga loves. There's a car coming, hon.
Is it that one with the lights on? Okay. We'll let it go first then.
No, it's
Oh,
turning
Jesus
actually.
Christ, could have flashed us out, huh?
Nope, not today, he says.
Okay.
I don't like this bush. Oh, car. It's too fast.
Very, very fast, huh? We'll go past ourselves then.
Oh my gosh. Those bushes are grown up and then you cannot see the oncoming traffic.
Grass and weeds. Not bush.
So, inaantok pa rin talaga ako mga palangga kasi I had 3 consecutive long days. So, and then day off and then start with another 4 long day. Kaya natin to. We're home. So, as usual, hindi na ako nag-vlog. Bless you! Bango-bango mga palangga as in. Ang haba. So, yung aming hapunan for tonight, magtigatili kami. Ito. Bumili din ako ng mushroom and then we need to cook the ham for later. And then meron din tayong garlic bread. Cheese garlic bread. There's something upsetting you, sweetheart. Bumili din ako ng double cream para sa ating honey. Oy, I'm vlogging. Para sa ating carbonara. Spoons. Hindi ko na isa-isahin mga palangga, oy. Para hindi na to matagal yung ating video. Ay nako, wag nyo nang pansinin si Mr. kasi nagka-allergy talaga yan. Alam niyo, last week, na-discover ni Mr. yung ating fagots. He discovered our fagots, mga loves. I was telling them that you will be mad at me because I'm buying things again that, that we don't need. But I would like to try those.
Faggots. The old faggot.
Corn flour. Sabi ni Mr. He likes fagot, so iwan ko kung kailan pa namin yan makakain kasi wala na. Ha? I can hear the yeah. Ha? May sinasabi si Mr. mga palangga na hindi nyo dapat marinig. Yung guest ko pala, meron na silang cherries. Cherry season na. I love cherries, mga loves. Too much daw, sabi ni Mr. But this is not too much for me. Cherry is the best. So, anyway, yung sinasabi ko, iwan ko kung kailan pa namin yan makakain yung fagots kasi busy pa ako. Sinabihan ko naman siya na you can eat them without me. Magtira ka lang ng isa. Kaya sabi niya, no, I wait for you. Sabi niya. You see, we don't need a fry, sweetheart. Gagawa tayo ng lunch, mga loves. Gagawa tayo ng lunch. Tipid sa hugasin, yung pangkat natin, gagamitin din natin na pang butter. So, cheese and tomato lang kay Mr. And then yung akin, meron akong sausage meat dito na nilagyan ko ng vegetable. And then, ilalagay lang natin dito. Kain lang muna kami mga loves ha. So, ito na yung kay Mr. And then yung akin. Tingnan yung mga palangka. They're rolling around the swimming pool. Si Kuya lang mag-isa. Andito, tinutulungan ni Mr. Huwag tayo doon magchika. Baka sabihin ni Kuya na I'm spying on him. So, after sa rolling around the swimming pool, si Kuya Guy yung gagawa din sa wall ng bahay. Pero pag gagawin na nila yung walling sa bahay, meron na siyang kasama. Meron na siyang katulong, hindi lang si Mr. I'm so hungry mga palangga. And it's only 10:30 in the morning. Ganito ako mga palangga pag pagod. So, I've done my 3 long days, 1 day off, and 4 long days. So, this is the first day off I have. So, I got 4 day off before I'm doing nights. Tulong! So, ngayon, gutom ako mga loves. Ganito talaga ako pagpagod. My tummy is looking for something nice. Let's have a look. Itong Father's Day, meron akong duty. So, pumunta saglit yung anak ni Mr. dito. So, ito. Kita ko sa inyo. Kasi, nung Saturday, plano ko sanang ilabas si Mr. para sa advance Father's Day ba. Pero, nag-insist siya na, bakit mo ako ilalabas? Hindi naman kita anak, sabi niya. Responsibilidad yun ng anak ko na to take me out and all that. So, nung Father's Day is pumunta lang sa dito. And ito, they have some goodies for his papa. And I don't know mga palangga kung bakit nagbigay sila nito. Tingnan nyo. I don't know if this is just here mistakenly, but yeah, hindi ko alam kung para saan to. Pang bata, ano. Is he wishing something? And then, card. Hindi pa nga na-open ni Mr. O, diba? So excited sa Father's Day, hindi pa in-open. Ilang araw na to dito. And then, chocolate. And then, wine. Yan. Yan lang. So, 5 days na 5 days na ba? No. 4 days na ang nakaraan and hindi pa ino-open. Diba? So, parang galing. Ala, matawag sila. Wait lang mga loves, matawag yung family ko ha. Bye-bye muna, bye. Nandito na yung mga materialis, mga palangga. Hinatid na dito. Sosyalin yung mga ano nila, truck dito na maghatid ng mga materialis kasi Meron siyang parang, I don't know what do you call that, mga palangga. Tingnan natin si Kuya. Ano? Ginagamit niya para pick upin lang yung mga ano, materialis. Diba? Hindi na kailangan magbuhat. Mas easy pa. And there you go. I'm so convinced mga palangga na this is not for us. I don't know. Gusto ko siyang buksan pero baka ano ba, hindi to sa amin. Nagkamali lang sila or they put it in the paper bag by mistake. But we'll open it kasi curious ako. Bahala sila. Or baka lang gusto ng anak ni Mr. yung alam niya na gusto magkaroon ng kapatid. Ay. Ang hirap mga palangga. Mamaya na lang eh. Mamaya ko na lang yan buksan. Sorry, tinanggal ko na yung kilay ko. So ito na yung kilay ko. Nag-bear talaga yung face ko. Tingnan ko lang kung ano na yung score ng England and Denmark. Kasi football ngayon mga loves. 1-1 kanina. 1 goal England and 1 goal Denmark. So, let's have a look. Hello. Same pa din. Yan.
Backward passing. Gallagher. Won the first one, not the second.
Hala. Noon mga palangga, hindi talaga ako fan sa hindi ako fan sa football ba kasi hindi ko naman naiintindihan at hindi naman ako mahilig talaga sa football kasi sa Pilipinas, diba? Wala naman masyadong football, hindi uso ang football, uso basketball, what do you call this, boxing.
It's not the England fans want. Well, they'll get serious questions asked now.